All right, second graders, most of you guys are done with your whole Module 7. Some of you are on the very last two little parts of Module 7, so I'm going to try to get ahead of you guys and start on Module 8, Lesson 1. Most of you guys like this type of way of counting using the tens and ones blocks, so that's awesome. So most of this will be pretty much review for you guys. It's just combining it and being able to do it more by yourself. All right, so it gives me my first answer. It says, write the number of tens and ones, then write the total. So it wants us to write the tens in the ones. Something that I have to keep in mind is for the tens, a lot of you like to write, okay, I'm gonna count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I know that there's 6 tens and 10 has to have a 0 at the end, which means that I would write 60. That's not what they want you to do. They want you to say how many tens are there. So how many are there, like, actually that I can count? There's just 6. How many ones? They did it for you. And there's 7. So then I combine them together. A 6 and a 7, 67. I'm not adding them together, I'm putting them together. For the next one, I count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 tens. And then I count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lot of you like this. The next page though, it gets a little bit tricky. So most of you can do this by yourself up on top. You just have to make sure that if there's more ones, 10 tens or 10 ones make 1 10. So you're gonna have to change your answer if you need to. This bottom part is where you guys get a little bit mixed up. It says show 40 split into 2 parts. One part should be 25. So if you want to do number 3, part A with me, we have to show 25 in one part. So they give us part of the answer. So right away, 25, there's 2 tens and 5 ones. I'm not sure if you can see this. So 2 tens and 5 ones makes 25. I have to get to 40. So what could I do? For me, I like to make it as close to that number as possible by using the ones to get to that 0. So 5, 25. If I just drew some tens on there, I wouldn't have a 0 in the ones place. There's still a 5. So I know first I need to add some ones to get to our tens place. So 25, if I add 5 more, I'm at 30 now. So 25 plus 5 is 30. So now I'm at an even number. So I can add my tens blocks to it now. So 30, how would I get to 40? I can count by tens, 30, 40. So I just have 1 tens block to add. So 15. A 1 and a 5 makes 15. And now I can check it by saying, does 25 plus 15, does that equal 40? 2 tens plus 1 10 is 30. 5 plus 5 is 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. That's right. Do the same thing with all of these. For B, C, and D, it'll show you one part. It'll give you the numbers. You need to find the rest to get the answer. And I believe I crossed out the bottom for you guys. So go ahead and do that and the top part, and I hope that helped.